Hi, this is Mrs. Tyson checking in from the North Hills Library, and we are about to begin all of the videos and lessons for round 2 in 2020. Inside of Schoology, you will see that there is now an orange folder labeled round number 2. And for today's video, we are going to do lesson number 1, which is all about the Free Library of Philadelphia. If you click on the review, you'll see all of the other options that I have gone ahead and given you with the previous 6 lessons. But right now I want to let you know that the Free Library of Philadelphia is just another way that you can get a hold of some wonderful electronic books. So if you click on the Media tab, you will see that I have included many pictures of the Free Library of Philadelphia. Philadelphia has a special place in my heart because I attended Temple University for a semester, and we were down here at the library quite often. Even if you never step foot inside this amazingly beautiful building, you can still use their resources. So this explains the information page all about the wonderful resources that they do provide. You're welcome to download that particular page and read through. I will never have the money or ability to provide you with 2.4 million titles and 700,000 titles for kids. So this is just a fantastic resource for you. And not only that, but they, being a big city, having such a diverse population, they have a lot more books in other languages as well, so that's exciting. We also have Gale, but they have Learning Express Library and Mango Languages, and then there's always help online. The Homework Help Hotline is a part of the free resources, so check it out. Another part of my resources here is their actual homepage. From the homepage, you can go to so many different things. It doesn't work very well inside of Schoology, so you want to click that little rectangle and arrow that sends it out to Safari. You can use the catalog play section. You can use the explore section, ask a librarian. There are events. You can see that they have many locations, like we have 13 different York County libraries. They have many locations. I showed you pictures of the biggest and the best. They have an entire kids section. They have new updates about all their new books all the time. Currently, there's a kind of a Halloween type section. It's just filled with wonderful, wonderful resources. But instead of just having you browse all through that and try and find things, I intentionally provided some of the links to the best things that are appropriate for your age level. So this link takes you directly to the kids pages, book lists that are there for you based on topic as well as grade level, just to give you ideas of some wonderful titles and some of the family programs that they provide virtually if you would like to get involved and you have some time in your day. Of course, you can't do any of this and enjoy this amazing resource without a library card. You'll notice here anyone who lives in the state of Pennsylvania can get one of these free library cards, and I highly recommend that you do it online because it literally is instant. As soon as you fill out the right paperwork with mom and dad, you can have that 14-digit number and you can immediately start checking things out as far as their electronic books. So just one more way for you to get a book in your hand and have time to read an electronic book. You can look through their catalog and see everything that they have available to you. You can search, you can change the fields to kids only, you can search the catalog. The biggest thing I want to bring to your attention is their icons look a little different than ours here for whether or not it is a real book in your hand or an electronic book. You'll see the down arrow that you need to download for an electronic book. And those are the ones you'll be able to read unless, of course, you want to make a day of it and drive on down to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So all of this is here. All of this is inside of Lesson 1. And as always, if you have any more questions, go ahead and give me an email. Take care, everybody.